Greetings, viewers and subscribers, and persons who are not yet subscribed to my channel. And if you are new here, and if it's their first time watching my YouTube videos or video, I am Cup Soup, the mathematician. I hope that you will enjoy this video and also learn something from it. Today I'm going to teach you order of operation. The topic today is order of operations, and I'm going to use Bodmas rules. Bodmas rules. That is the acronym I'm going to use today. So it's BODMAS. The acronym BODMAS. The B stands for brackets. And this is saying that I should work out what is in the bracket or brackets first. That's the first thing you should do when you're using the Bodmas rules. Okay? And half, which O stands for half. Right? And this is saying that if you have anything with square root or power, you should take care of that. That's the second thing we should do. So if this bracket has a square, I would have to square the bracket. Square what's in the bracket. What is in the bracket? Okay? Then D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. Last but not least, S stands for subtraction. So order of operation is basically telling you what you should do first, second, and third. So it is saying divide, then multiply, then you do the addition and the subtraction. So this is the order you should do it in. Right? If you don't follow the order, you will get problem like this. Incorrect. Okay? So, still topic. And most times, and sometimes you will see persons sending questions like this on social media. So whenever you get a problem like this to answer, you can answer it by using this rule, the Bodmas rule, to answer the questions. Okay, so here I have 8 divided by 2 plus 7 times 2 plus, in bracket, 10 minus 5. Okay, so according to Bodmas rule, the Bodmas rule, we have a bracket here, so we have to work out what is in the bracket first. That's the first thing we're going to take care of, the information in the bracket. So we're going to work out what is in the bracket first. So I'm just going to write back 8 divided by 2 plus, so you have the plus right here, so you put the plus back right here, plus 7 times 2 plus, so you put back the plus sign here. So in bracket now we have 10 minus 5. So 5 from 10 leave us with 5. Alright, so 5 from 10 is 5. Okay, so you realize that I work out what is in the bracket and I have 5 leave. So 5 from 10 is 5. Okay, so I'm going to look over here and see what I should do next. So here I have plus multiplication and I have another plus here. So according to Bodmas rule, I have to, and I also have a division. I have 8 over 2 here. So this is telling that I should divide this part. So you realize division comes before multiplication, it comes before addition. So I would have to divide. The next step, or the next thing I should do, is to divide this. So 2 divided by, or 2 into 8 goes 4 times, plus 7 times 2 plus 5. Okay, so what next? I have a plus sign here and I have a multiplication sign here and I have a plus sign here. So what next? That's the question. According to the Bodmas rule again, multiplication comes before addition. Therefore, I have to take care of the multiplication part before I do the addition part. So I am going to write 4 plus, so 7 times 2 is 14, plus 5. So 5 plus 14 is 19, plus 4 is 23. So therefore 23 is the answer. Very easy. Once you follow this rule, you will get these answer right. If you don't follow this rule, you will get the answer most times incorrect. It will multiply, addition, and subtraction. So we're just going to follow the same rule, Bodmas. So based on Bodmas rule, we will have to, the first thing that we will have to do here is to divide. You realize division comes before multiplication and it comes before subtraction. So therefore, I would have to divide. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to divide. So 15.55 times 4 minus 7. So 5 goes 3 times, times 4 minus 7. So based on the Bodmas rule, we would have to multiply before we subtract, because multiplication comes before subtraction. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 7. So 7 from 12, or 12, is 5. So this is the answer. 5 is the answer. Okay? So remember, the rule that I am using is Bodmas, the acronym Bodmas. Once you follow this rule, you will do well. Given that, in bracket, 6 minus 3 plus 7 times 2 plus, in bracket, 4 plus 2. So first, so in this bracket here we have a minus, and in this one we have a plus. Okay, so you realize subtraction is the last thing that we should do. So addition before we do the subtraction. But when we have brackets, it doesn't matter what sign in the brackets. We just have to work out the brackets first. Okay? So we have to work out what's in the bracket first. So 3, 3 from 6 is 3. 3 minus 6 is 3 plus 7 times 2 plus 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have a plus sign here, we have a multiplication sign here, we have a plus sign here. But according to Bodmas rule, we have to multiply because multiplication comes before addition. So I'm going to write 3 plus, so 7 times 2 is 14 plus 6 equal 14 plus 6 plus 3 is 23. So this is the answer. Very easy, very simple.